Hey everybody, welcome back to Golden Dragon Honey. It's Chris, your beekeeper. Today we're going to be taking a look at our hives out in East Burke. These were splits that I took from hives 1 and 3 here in Lyndonville. They came through winter really strong. They have excellent, very virile queens that were kind of doing their thing. We took the established queens and put them out into equipment out in East Burke and kind of let them start filling that up. I haven't paid a ton of video attention. I've been out to check on them a couple times, and I'm really excited to get in there with you guys because they are kicking butt and filling frames. Those queens have remained virile in this second season. Let's get in there and take a look. Join me out in the yard. Hey everybody, welcome back to Golden Dragon Honey. Thanks for joining us out in the yard. We're out here in yard 2 in East Burke. We got our bare fence out and not a terrible amount to show you inside, but I'm happy to report we've got some really thriving populations. Both hives, queens are laying in both boxes, which is what you want to see. They're a growing population for this part of the year. They're going to peak right about the end of July, so still growing at this point. If you were around last year and following us, this was the queens in hive 1 in our yard 1 and the queen of hive 3. They are just continuing to thrive, continuing to really fill frames the way you hope they will. And we're in a flow. I don't know if you can tell exactly. We got flowering shrubs and trees here. We got some flowering bushes behind us. We're getting rain this weekend and then another stretch of sun. So we are in an excellent position to have a big honey crop and some thriving hives by the end of the season. Thanks for joining us. If you're enjoying what you see, I hope you'll subscribe and follow and keep up with us on our journey this year.